I'm back. Here you see the bullet point piece that holds the 20 millimeter balls. I'm going to set that in the vise just because I need some helping hands. Here's the additional one I'm going to add. Just got to get the nuts and washers off of them. Go from there. Okay. So now we'll set that pretty much right there like that. These appear to be little locking nuts that they'll use with the washer. I think I'm going to move the center one over so it looks more equal, because this one's on the left edge and this one will be on the right edge, and I think I'll loosen that up a little bit to move it over once I get the things, the nuts put on. I'll try speeding through this fast forward once I get it onto the computer. And folks, there we have it. Let me move this vise over to the side. This is going to hold the microphone. This, I believe, is the 7mm extension I bought. This is all from the same company, Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. What I believe happens here is we loosen this up, this connector. We place this in the connector. I guess it needs to be a little looser than that. Maybe even looser than that. Hey, maybe it's got to come completely apart. Well, looky there. Oh. Well, looky there now. I guess I better put the ball on now too then, huh? Otherwise it'll be coming completely apart over there. Or back in the truck, I should say. Put that ball in there for that. Set that back over there. See if I can reattach the wing nut. Okay. And voila. I already checked and made sure that my Yaesu microphone fits in that slot. So now let's loosen up the other side. Get this out of the way. Might as well just start by taking it apart. And I don't have the dexterity I used to have. It's wild. Well, let's get it on this ball, I guess, first, before I even bother to try and put it on there and put it back together. Let's get it on the ball. Be easier to do it here than out in the truck. Cold here today, only in the mid-30s. We had a little bit of snow yesterday, but nothing to amount to anything. Barely stuck to anything, then it was gone. Well, there we have it, folks. And I'll be able to move this around, whichever angle suits me for my microphone. But until I get these 4 holes mounted back in the truck, I'm just gonna leave it right there. I'll see y'all in the truck. Stay tuned. Well, folks, I'm back. And there it is, installed on the base. I couldn't show you the actual installation of the arm and the other 2 anchor points because I couldn't hold the iPhone and use both hands on that. I was one hand short. I can see now that it's installed that I could have bought the shorter one from Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. I bought the longest one they recommended for the mic holder because I wasn't sure, even when I measured it, I wasn't sure if it would stick out far enough to clear the dash, but I believe now that it would have. And in the event that I order anything else from them in the future, I'll just order the shorter arm. I can use that arm on the right side for anything else I might want to attach. If I put a phone holder there or another microphone, if I ever figure out how to mount my FT891 in here as well. But until then, that completes the installation of the Yaesu FTM 400 XDR in my 2019 Ram. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. 7-3.